Hello and welcome to Changfied YouTube channel, your trusted source for latest update across South Sudan. Today we bring you two big stories from South Sudan. First, the trial of Dr. Machar and opposition leaders, where some of the accused claim they were kidnapped and tortured. Second, we are going to talk about a shocking boat attack in Lagos State that left more than 50 people missing. Stay tuned as we break down the event, give you background, and explain what these stories mean for peace and security in South Sudan. Before we proceed, I would like you to help the channel by subscribing and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any update that we will be uploading on our channel. Thank you. Let's start with our first top stories. In Juba, a special court is holding a very sensitive case. Suspended first by President Dr. Machar, the SPLIO leader and the commander-in-chief, and 7 opposition leaders are facing trial. The charges are very serious: treason, terrorism, and crime against humanity. But during this week hearing, shocking claim came out from some of the accused. They say they were not legally arrested. Instead, they say they were kidnapped, tortured, and treated like criminals before even being tried. The court met behind closed doors, meaning the public could not freely see or hear everything. Journalists were allowed in, but they were not allowed to record video or audio. General Basilio Thomas Wani, a police commissioner from northern Bargazal state, he read out a statement from 4 accused men. Number 1, Port Kang Shol, 40, suspended petroleum ministers. Mampal Dor, businessman. Gadwi Lampoch, member of parliament. Lieutenant General Gabriel Doblam, 53, SPLIO chief of staff. This statement shocked many. Port Kang said he worked to calm tension in Nasser County, not to cause violence. Mampal say he was kidnapped by army security officer. When he asked for an arrest warrant, they refused. He realized they were using the National Security Service law against him. General Doblam say he was tortured, kept in chains, and treated badly during investigation. Gadwilam, the MP, also denied involvement in violence in Nasser. The trial started after a deadly clash in Nasser County, Upper Nile State, in March 2025. The government said Machar, SPLMIO, and the Norway army were behind the fighting. Many were killed and property was destroyed. Because of these, the government charged Dr. Machar and 7 others with treason and mass murder, terrorism, and working with militias. But the accused said these charges are political. They say the government is targeting opposition leader to silence them. After hearing the first statement, the prosecution asked for more time. The judges, James Alala Deng, agreed and postponed the trial to Friday, October 3rd. On that day, Dr. Machar himself and the other accused will have their statement read. The prosecution will bring evidence, and the defense will get the chance to cross-examine. This trial is one of the most important in South Sudan right now. If Machar and his colleague are found guilty, it could change the political future of the country. Supporters of Dr. Machar say the trial is unfair and that the government is using the court to weaken their position. Government supporters argue that no one should be above the law, even if they are a leader. The claim of torture and kidnapping also raised serious questions about human rights and the rule of law in South Sudan. For peace to last, justice must not only be done, it must also be seen as fair. Now let's turn to another tragedy. This breaking news in Lake State. At least 51 passengers are missing. These are a newer passenger coming from, they're moving from Jonglei to Fanyija. So let's take a look at this together. According to the information, at least 51 passengers are missing after armed men attack a boat traveling on the Na River. One person was confirmed dead and only one survived, was found with gunshot. The boat left Bor in Jonglei State, heading to Panjshir County in Unity State on Sunday morning. It was ambushed near Ural East. According to local official Gabriel Majogbol, there were 53 people on the passenger list. Out of those, he said 46 men, 2 women, and 3 young girls. Only one body has been recovered so far. And Majok said this was not the first time. It was not the first incident. Just 2 weeks earlier, 8 traders from Panjshir were kidnapped in the same area. Civil society group condemned the attack. One child rights worker said it is unlawful and authorities are failing to control army use. If criminals keep killing and are not arrested, more attacks will happen. But Ural East County Commissioner Manyang Luke denied the report. He said he had no knowledge of such an attack and maybe it happened on the border river. The Na River is lifeline for many South Sudanese communities. Both carry people, goods and trader, but in recent years insecurity has grown. Army groups use the river route to ambush travelers. Even 1 month ago, more than 60 people were also attacked during a business trader that were coming from Panjshir. When they reached Bor, they were attacked and a mass number of them were killed. This attack not only caused death but also stopped trade and movement between states. These latest attacks show how dangerous the security situation still is in many areas of South Sudan. The government must act quickly to stop army group, protect passengers, and restore trust in travel routes. Communities are asking for peace, but without strong security and accountability, such attack may continue. The Nuer community in Panjshir, they are blaming the Dinka community for carrying out atrocities against their trader who used to go to Jonglei to sell and to buy things. Whenever they come, there are people who always attack them or ambush them. Whenever they bought a boat to go to Jonglei State, and before they even reach Bor, that's when people come and attack them. And this been happening frequently. People are condemning this and they are saying that the government of South Sudan should stop this, because this thing will only fuel the situation or create insecurity. And many of these traders being told that they should not be moving without a proper security. They need an escort from the SSPDF or from anyone that can protect them, because this been occurring many times and it should be stopped. Normal kenyam kaya jawaban lingwas mekan kononia major majidit gorian ujin dere subscribe ka Changfied YouTube channel ko misha tekler misha baraida chwa mala chubakeje. jo ban ling gwad me te kon kele dang ro to bom to go de kon kele leran yam ban right ke kwida ke macha gwad da na chaji luk tenen walle kene ten kon de la jikko are ten cha luk ne dang wan cha luk ban men dan kan ban je ling gwad men jo rewde no ban right ke kwi ne ni tit ko lan wore ti jen ka pan jar ki jen ka jongle ne tone cha ka magda dop charam kel cha jen ne radian kene jen dang di jude kel ti cha ngaje no kan ka je ko go dan ci gutin karam kel mi cha mo ko bot ban je ling ka je leer mane an chan je to ka leer nyam re we ke juba ke special court and dan en men luka Dr. Machar kene dang barotin ko ken la first by President Dr. Machar kene other 7 opposition leaders in ko ja yen kel and wale cha ka nangwalok ken cha ka charge ke cha in be charge nyam treason, terrorism and crime against humanity ke joran chalat ke je duer kon chala do chicken talat of course ne me men be ka kum kir mi yadit ken wale ka tam chitwok chinetin kontin cha yen Potkang Mampaldo Gadwi Lampoch Lieutenant General Gabriel Dovla ne de kon cha tijin wale no chicken kum jikana gwanya no chikum ka torture ke cha ga chinga jek. Again, they say they were not legal arrested. You know, kan ko moy ka war gan go yan ka ne ko kin mene teram mo mi cha kam war gade but kab ne ke bom lo ko kinam ne ke joran ci kana lat ke cha ga chinga je kalon they say that they were kidnapped, tortured and treated like criminal before even being tried. Gwada kan ngeno gwad mo gwalo ken cha ga chinga je kalon netin kontla ne kirmi yadi te uka kabula national security an wale cha lug mo cha lug ka lug mo cha lug lo kan gade kan ke la nong life lo de ko kulen ga do brana men lo kon lu ka je ketin kono ko ala chai ke je ken kum kirmi yadi ken kana la chang men chika journalist ni chika ne jago bu wore je mi bang nyurne dialogue nyina ka wenke cha jogo no tele video mu ko record tele audio mu ko record no wana mu dial sel dor ti dial chaga General Basilio Thomas wani wa police commissioner michi statement che kwen ki rajadanen kwanara yen keja General Nelson Bargazal state che jo che lat kane dangwan kontin cha yen kane dangwan tone tin chalat lo yena ka loka ko kan dang badak ba chane dangwan kan chalu gon wale tin chalat ken tin Minister Potkang Chol Jen Ramimo chikon ngaje no chai suspend ka kuara la minister Mampal Dor Jen a businessman Gadwi Lampoch no a member of parliament Lieutenant General Gabriel Doblam Jen Rand Spilayo chief of staff gwada me katin mandana chati ke ko kan mutikan ka tit kat dob dana ci ko je to go je rewi ka nasar cha jugo no ne cha Potkang cha jugo no jinti ka titten jala no ne enteletin but chelet ko de malamo derben again he say he worked to calm tension in Nasser County not to cause violence chajo mo chela de Potkang no again en pointer lenen ko ne de ko de ja caption jen tai dan neten teletet ka ko dan to Mampal chela ro ne jen pona chaje kidnap ke chaje kep ko bom ke chaje peje security officer re wiki juba again me chagati ke waran ke wargala nyot karan jin mi chaje yen no la ran jugo no warga en chia gorjan yen jikuma me legalares jenen na mo kana collar and then he realized that they were using the National Security Service law against him lo kabuni je National Security Service ka do mo je National Security Service la kana kep a chang tele warga me cha kam ke la kep kani ka bom General Doblam chela do ne jen chaje torture cha chang je ka long no karam cha torture ngene be chelong a jene gwene dial tetke teken ke chik Jene cha treated badly during investigation the Jordan chalat. Jene chalat jekla. Jene cha je torture katijen katede cha mu ke gate ke cha tede ya mu ke chi lotel gwa weten. Ka cha chu ko cha nyo kap ke chi ka kan pe dang bakal dialti kwa je torture gwa dan titen. Ka ngade duel jen ma deten. Anyo gram do dien e gadwe lam AMP jen chalat no cheneten gwa de to ko ten kanasar. He denied his involvement in violence. Chajo mo chajilat Gadwi Lampoch. So Gadwi Lamachek. So the reality ni katin kono to. And do be done to occur ke jara wika Nasser County Capital State ke Paidiok. Wonkin down road and down road ditch. Chukume chike Dr. Machar kwera SPLIO chikene yen kan juk ne recola din SPLIO kana nor waya mi sharurin mat kene kon to kokor ka ko la ni kon ngachi na chi lutin chi civilian chi lu ka chi den chi lu jene na ke ji kan la ro ka kuje mon shu kan Dr. Machar chu kan ju chai kan ne dang baro ko ken o kan ne timo chire ki kana lat kene de kon na kana kare wujin binami of course, but the accusers say these charges are political. Again, a political Mediterranean, they say the government is targeting opposition leader to silence them. Again, to a targetic ko chagon no bajodian bajiling. Chajo me chajaladekan. Guadan and latke dolomitin, ki guadan kwan kenyin kentin rail walk, near contila persecutory, ki persecution team, kakuma kirmiyadit, shukan judge James Lala James Alala Deng jokan jogono ntame ko ngwan ne kontra eyewitness ni gone no ba je passport ba je nang ka Friday no mo cha nang ko October 3rd ki Friday mbe jen gwadan ba luk ba ko nyaw to ko je lu cha luk cha je kap chongon wala luk up ye ke je chong ko wana chi ko ngwan kan Dr. Machar kan luk ne dang dik ko ken kan wir ken kan kalat no ka kan men balar kan ngaj ba ko lar ke jen Friday mone chajo me chaja kwen wa bi persecution team bikan evidence hitin yo do charek chaja lat bikan no ka Friday defend ba bikan mandanan chalat ne editi wa bikan nyok mu gui kareide ketin ko ne chalat and try le me chala do ne wo mu we ene jek wa be so dan be nang re ring ne tungwan kum wo to gwa chawa be te dial bu chu go ba ka jo dana chalat ngai ko ne lungo no ti dialat ko rudin tine wo de mal no de jelat gosde kan o de ramichum jelat de je yen bad mala de genen kum SPLIO tan je ci kan lat kire jara madan chum je ci lat ci me ci ala ne de kontil activist kan ne gone yo the hybrid code de je zil establish ko ring ma cha de luka jëm ci ala special code tel kal wang tan jang wang to tel jaga ka ba cha kep ko bom no ba ji lukten ban ngai ke jen wo ne me ci me de ro de wang cha ring ma cha de trial ngwat mo so na me di na ngaj chana woka ler do dien gwado me ler ban len gwado me bod nuare mitene de jandang di yu doctor grade ka joran chala ban jelin kel na bod me wa jen jena ka jongle ban jelin kel me dan chore lat e dung nuare ka jo chala gwase me aware wiki leg state gwad mi mo ci bod nuare ci o chongten reden bod tene jen di doctor ten chala do ne ne jandang di yu de kel tam wa ci bat ko gwadan tekaten left with one passenger what they are missing quite a weather con chigoten what they done a sha bodien cha ke dwan maitin re year la bodien no jele ke year and when mo charam kel cha na ka karam kel mi cha mo ke bot baram kel cha mo bot tele pani jen diu kel quite gwa dan chigoten cha kwa ni ram ko ram dan chiliu bod jen bor cha ka jongle state jen we ka pani jar county ka united state jen sunday paiwa de ko lar no and Sunday pai wo jen do be nan to we ke cha ka ambuch gwa dan te ke yiro leis ka jo chalat gwa se me wa local official Gabriel Majogbol chala do ne en botine de jandang di de doctor karede chala ne jandang do de je lis dan cha ka me ne jen wani bakel ke wune ne ro kamen ka ne dang jok ka gwar nyete tiene no waram dan cha jigi chili waram kel karam kel mutaka bonne janang de ju de kel ko gwa dan chi go tin chi kana ngoch majuk chala do ne jene me chien first time ki en changanyam cha kon to ko kor jong dang rote paiwo gwam mi chane dang badak chwa ka ko chwa kinap ti jen ga pani jar kan wer bane chwa ka ba kan ne ko la ja cha jo mo cha jala no wam cha ka bane la lo le ke yo ki ta dan chi ngwa ke lat ke jen binimi civil society group ti kala ne me ami je ka long ken men lat ke ne de konti la de ni gwata meni ki ne de konti la jang ti la no le kan ya pa da dop no wa je ga long no duno yiralis commissioner manyang luk chala dano she report chine me she de na jen me che tok jen me te me che tok ke tok doran gwad mene don we tok gwad mena nan ke tok ka bodor riba jen joran cha kwen jen man chalat ke liu ko kan confirm but ne ko chala do cha na cha ka dwan match but can confirm no mo ne me yirol wud janga mala kwer yiralis ke yiralis commissioner chala manyang luk chala dano na me kene ko lin ka gwine no chito ngai ko no yera mo chal ke nari per jen gwa dano ko mit kwal jitin ko jen na jel ke jemona An wala jen kan bukan oka jongle bukan kulo gorten boron winami kajan gwadan la wiya jekaten ba kan nekten gwan ni chiang la ka lu gano yen chwa ya gwad mi ba chicken lele cha jalian ka ngai kon dia no security situation be jelong re wuchin winami so chi bode me ne yendang di de kel ko ya gwadan chi gutram kel che liu maran melanwer karam kel mi chamu ke bon medi jenta dana chalat ke je authority kene konte ka long gwad me tina den wo de mal de gur ko ngai kono no mal jela dia la ka no ngone na me gor je no de yenaling ka do dan an che to ko ja. Today news show us two difficult stories. The trial of Dr. Machar and his colleague, where the accused, they say they were kidnapped and tortured, and a deadly boat attack that left 51 people missing in Ural East. Both stories highlight the same truth. South Sudan is still struggling with justice and security and peace. We will continue to follow this story closely and bring you updates as they come. Thank you for watching Changfied channel. Please subscribe, share, and comment to support our work. Do not forget to hit the notification bell. Stay safe and may peace come to South Sudan. Bye-bye.